National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Delaware County, northern Licking County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunbury, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Westerville, Delaware, Powell, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Ashley, Valeris, Galena, Hartford, St. Louisville, Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 36/State Route 37, Alum Creek State Park, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661, Olive Green, Stratford, Purity, Center Village, Leonardsburg, and Kilbourne. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 122 and 138. Now for the official